good day. You're welcome to another edition of sharing trade information on Global Trade Tutor. In this video, we'll continue our discussion and conversation around different products that can be exported, particularly from Nigeria, from Africa. And it's also useful to other people around the world because the information is on export, not necessarily from Nigeria, even though we're using Nigeria as a reference point. Today, my focus will be on granite. You know, there's some product that if you are not within the space and don't know what's happening in international trade, you don't even know some product that can be exported. Granite is one of the products that many people probably do not know has export value, because as long as a product is useful for human economic activity or survival, and that product is not available in all the countries in the world, like sand, even some sand are not available in some countries. People say export zircon sand, for example. Those products, such a product suddenly become an exportable product. Granite is a beautiful and versatile igneous rock. You know, we have, I know there is this sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic. I can't remember my geography. And it's found naturally all over the world, and known for its strength, it's known for its durability, it's known for its aesthetics. Granite formed deep underground from the slow cooling and solidification of the magma, that's the molten rock, typically during volcanic eruption. The slow cooling allows for large crystals to form, giving granite its characteristic quartz grain texture, giving granite its characteristics quartz grain texture. Primarily composed of quartz, feldspar, mica mineral. Now, quartz, feldspar, and mica are all exportable minerals, and none of them are found within granite, with a minor amount of other minerals like amphibole. The specific mineral composition and proportion determine the color, determine other property of the granite. Of course, it's a hard, strong material. It's fire resistant, aesthetically pleasing, and it's found in non-central Nigeria, Plateau State, Kogi State, Jos, Abuja, Lokoja. It's also found in Southwest, Ekiti, Oyo, Ogun State, Iseyin in Oyo, Abeokuta in Ogun State, Ado Ekiti in Ekiti State, and other potential places include Bauchi, Osun, and of course, Ebonyi State. This product is used in building construction, it's used in sculpting and memorials, and it can be crushed and used in landscaping. It's used in road construction as an abrasive material. What is the demand of granite? The demand of granite in the world is about $2 billion. Can you see? $2 billion. Some agri products are not up to that. $2 billion. The least continent with demand is South America, about $3.9 million. Followed by Oceania, that's Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, about $4.35 million. Followed by North America, United States, Canada, and Mexico, about $67.5 million. Followed by Africa. Africa also demand for it, about $80.6 million. Meaning, if you want to export this product, you have a good market within the African continent. Then we have Europeans. Almost $1 billion, about $900 million. Europeans. And also the Asians, about $900 million. So you see the demand are mainly in Europe and Asia. Who are those buying it in these countries? In Asia, majority of the demand is from China. China actually buys 35% of this product in the world. 35%. China alone. The next is United Kingdom and Italy in Europe. About 12.3% is United Kingdom, and about 8.3% is in Italy. So if you're looking for market, China, United Kingdom, Italy, Germany, Poland, Spain, France, Belgium, a major market for this product. Now, packaging granite for export is crucial to ensure safe and secure transportation of this natural stone, commonly used in construction and decoration. Granite slabs are typically packed individually or in bundles. They cut it into a way that sometimes they actually use a pallet, they put it on a pallet, and they cut it into small blocks. So it can be cut into slab, it can be cut into blocks, and they use strong and durable packaging material that protect against impact and abrasion, and of course against environmental elements. Common material include wooden crates, steel frame, and reinforced containers is what they use. Remember, stone is heavy. Stone is heavy. Now, this product, if you are exporting it, just like any other item of export, you need your inspection certificate, you need your certificate of analysis, but more importantly, the invoice, packing list, and bill of lading. And if you're shipping from Nigeria, you need your NXP. In many countries, you need what is often called the application form. Every country, you need an application or what they call declaration form. It's actually a declaration form. It's a form that you need to declare what you are shipping out of the country. Let me talk, before I close, let me talk about a very important part of this, which is one of the reasons why I do it, is the pitfalls. Now, if you're exporting granite, there are various qualities you need to address. Number one is color variation. Natural variation in color and pattern within the granite batch. Now, you need to ensure that, because of the various elements contained in each of them, it influences the color. And the buyer will give you the kind of color he wants. So you need to ensure what you are putting together, cutting and putting together, is the color that the buyer wants. So sort the granite based on color grade. Surface finishing regularity. Uneven and irregular surface finishing affect the aesthetic appeal. So implement a proper polish and finishing technique during processing. This will ensure you give it the aesthetics that it has. Cracks and fissures. Presence of crack and fissures can compromise the structural integrity of the granite. So conduct thorough inspection during extraction and processing. The thickness is also very important. Inconsistency in thickness across the granite slab and tiles. Use precision cutting and calibration techniques to achieve uniform thickness and implement a quality control measure during the processing to ensure consistency. Now, this program has an expanded version in what is often called export hack. So there is an export hack for granite. So if you want to export granite, interested in, it's over an hour session. If you're interested, you can visit globaltradecollege.com. globaltradecollege.com, and you can purchase granite there, or you can reach out to us on the number 0809 08099993142 for you to be able to order for export hack for granite. The export hack for granite detail all the additional information that you will require. This is just a short video as an intro to this product for you on this channel, and you can always get a full information if you so desire. Thank you very much for visiting and stopping by on Global Trade Tutor today. You can join our community by liking and subscribing to our channel and click on the notification bell. And my name is Dele Ayimibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.